Okay, so we just thought about doing this in one particular way of framing the problem, which is we're going to end up with k things. We have n choices for the first, n minus 1 for the second, on down to n minus k plus 1 for the kth of those k things. And by the fundamental rule of counting, since it doesn't matter, the number of choices you have available to you at any step doesn't depend on what you picked in the previous steps. The total number of ways there are of picking k of n things is n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, etc. So that looks like n minus 1 times n minus k plus 1. And this has a symbol, which is npk. Okay, that's a definition. We'll use three horizontal bars to indicate that this is a definition. And it turns out that we can relate that number, we can express that number in terms of factorials as well. Okay? If we had continued this product, by the way, these are not division signs. These are places. Okay? I'm not intending to divide anything here. These are just locations. If we continued n times n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus k plus 1, n minus k minus 1, n minus k minus 2, etc., on down to 1, then this would be n factorial, right? So instead of having n factorial, we've terminated this product at n minus k plus 1. Well, what do the remaining terms look like that aren't here? It's n minus k times n minus k minus 1 times n minus k minus 2, etc., right? So the sort of the missing terms that would make that n factorial, this thing that we're looking at, I'll go over here. So n times n minus 1 times n minus 2, n minus k plus 1 is actually equal to n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus k plus 1 times n minus k times n minus k minus 1 times 1, right? If we divide off n minus k minus 1 times 1. Right? So that would cancel that would cancel that, etc. Those would all cancel. And it would leave us with what we have before. Okay, but this product in the numerator is n factorial. And the product in the denominator, n minus k minus 1, etc., is n minus k factorial. Okay. So this number, npk, is equal to n factorial over n minus k factorial. Same thing, just expressed a different way.